Hey guys, so I thought I'd do a little vlog on the next couple days of my life. My apartment flooded, so I am in a temporary apartment right now, so that's that. We're getting a new apartment, I believe, in the same complex. So right now I'm just chilling, and I'm gonna take you along with me to this process. We finally got the keys to our new place, and we're unpacking everything right now. It took like all day to unload everything. I have Norman in his kennel. I'm waiting for the bed sheets to be done so I can make the bed and then let Norman out of his kennel. And I'm waiting on my DoorDash. Oh my gosh, I'm so hungry. I'm getting Saddle Ranch. It's one of my favorite places in LA. So I got this jasmine rice with some barbecue pulled chicken, and I got the full size, and oh my gosh, it's so much, but I'm honestly gonna be like really craving some leftovers tomorrow. And then I got these biscuits. They added them in. I love their butter so much. It's like the cinnamon butter. It tastes really good with their jalapeno biscuits. And then for my side, I got these vegetables. And over here I got our appetizer. This is so much food, but they're the beer battered onion rings, and they have Parmesan on them, and they look so amazing. We got the sauces, and I'm so excited. Hey guys, so it's the next day, and I'm getting ready to go to Ikea, find some patio furniture, and then we are gonna go to Marshall's, and we're gonna go to Walmart, Target, basically a lot of places. And then I'm also gonna stop at Porto's because I haven't been there in forever. So the apartment's coming together pretty well, but there's still lots to be done. I'm not sure why I look like this. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna do right now. We're getting ready to leave. I'm gonna go to Dunkin' first and get my coffee because I can't do anything without my coffee. And yeah, so my outfit, my top is from Zara. It's a bodysuit. My shorts are Levi's, they're vintage. Shoes are Dolce Vita. So we got the patio furniture set up, and I'm in love. I'll show you in the morning when there's like better lighting. But I just got my food from Lemonade. I didn't go to Porto's. It was getting a little bit late, and we had to get home without Norman and take him to go potty and give him his dinner. But so I went to Lemonade. Well, actually, I DoorDashed it. I got this chicken sandwich, chicken and mozzarella, and then they had this vegan mac and cheese and seasoned potato chips. It was so good. And I got their classic lemonade. It's the day after, so I'm gonna go to the pool, and then I'm gonna come back in and get my leftover lemonade and start cleaning up more. It's kind of a mess. When I finish cleaning up the apartment, it looks kind of a mess, so I really need to get going. I can show you all the outcome. So yeah, let's go to the pool. I'm back from the pool, guys, and I'm gonna go eat my leftover lemonade and show you kind of like the balcony setup. I still have a lot to do, more decorating, but for now this is what I have, and I'm really excited about it. I have been like manifesting this whole patio set for like a while now. I've been seeing like that whole mini, it's called like a balcony patio set. But I've been manifesting it because I've been seeing like the picnic style, but like mini version of a picnic table, and like the little chairs that go with it. And I found some at Ikea, and we got it on sale. I think it was like 40 something total for table and chairs. And then I got this matching plant stand, which was a little bit more. Actually, I think it was like, I don't know, it was like $25. but it's so cute all together. And I bought these cushions. They're a little bit big, but I just went with that. I came with this chair and table and then the other chair, and I got such a good price for it. And these are the cushions. They're kind of like a beige kind of color, like a taupe or something. And then over here we have the plant stand, which I still need to get some plants. I might go to Whole Foods tomorrow and see what kind they have. And yeah, I'm really excited about it. It's so cute. I love this whole setup. I might add more plants around here. Probably not, I'm not sure yet, just because Norman likes to hang out here and I don't want to put too much on here. That way he can still roam around and have plenty of room to like hang out and lounge. But yeah, I'm obsessed with this whole setup. We have the pool. It's such a pretty day. I'm like obsessed with this whole setup. Back from Whole Foods. I'm gonna show you what I got. I ended up, of course, buying things that I didn't need, but what's new? I do that like all the time. I go off my list so much. This is a little vase and stand that I got at Big Lots a couple days ago when we went out to look for more stuff. And then I ended up getting a pizza. I went to Whole Foods literally just the other day and saw this pizza and didn't get it. But since I went back, I just ended up getting it because it looks so good. My shelf has 3 stands, so I only needed 3. Thank goodness, because I did not have the money for more plants. But I got a little aloe. And then I got, what is this? A violet plant, whatever. I don't know, I thought it was pretty. So I got that too. And then I got this plant. Like, I don't know my plants at all. I'm not a florist. But I got this one. It's pretty in white. And I was going for like the white base since I already had that. So I'm gonna put that one in there. It's gonna be a little bit, probably a little bit big for it, but we're gonna make it work anyways. This is what I decided to do. I put the little tall one at the top. So that pretty much was only where it was gonna fit. Then I got the aloe in the middle and this one at the bottom for the more space for the stand. I need to cut the tag off. But yeah, I kind of like it. It's cute. I'm really happy how that turned out. Like, it just looks so good now. And yeah, I'm obsessed with it. Now I'm gonna organize. I think I'm gonna make dinner now. And yeah. So I've cleaned the apartment up a little bit, but it still needs lots of work. Hi, baby. Whoa! Hi! Definitely be doing a apartment tour. I'm watching 90210 on a separate video, just so I can fix all this up and make it look really good before I show you all. And well, actually, technically this is the living room and that is the bedroom, but I didn't want to put the bed over there because there wasn't enough room. So I'm gonna clean up the kitchen a little bit first. And yeah, and then I'm just going to put everything away. Clean out the counters. I just got these little baskets in just because the cabinet storage here is so weird. Like, these are like for super tall people and I'm 5'3", so that's not gonna work.